Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing great. Welcome to your channel, Madi Scientific Academy. Today our lecture is related to chapter 12, which is volume and surface area of the pyramid. I am going to explain you question number 6 of exercise 12b. Your book is New Syllabus Mathematics to T2 Math. Okay students, before starting the lecture, I will request you that if you want more help regarding your subject, then you can subscribe the channel. Okay, Ji. Question number 6 is a cone has a circular base of radius 6 mm. Given that the curved surface area of the cone is 84 pi millimeter square, find its slant height. So first you have to write down the information which is given. Radius is 6 millimeter and the curved surface area of the cone is 84 pi. So curved surface area is 84 pi. Okay, Ji. Find its slant height. So we have to find out the height. So students, you know that the formula to find out the curved surface area is of the cone is, now here I am going to write down the formula. Curved surface area of the cone is pi r l. So this is the formula, pi r l. This is the formula to find out the curved surface area of the cone, because it's written it's a curved surface area of the cone. So here I am writing down the curved surface area of cone, okay, which is pi r l. Okay, here the area is given, which is 84 pi. So I will write down 84 in the place of this curved surface area, and I will write pi as it is. R is given, I will write down 6. And L we have to find out, so I will write down L as it is. I can use the word L for the height. Alright, now I'll multiply 6 with pi. So what I will get? 6 multiplied by pi will be equal to 18.849559. So I will round off and I will get 18.85 L. Now we have to find out the value of L. So this is multiplying with that. When it will come to this side, it will divide. So L will be equal to 84 divided by. So your answer would be okay, so I forgot to write pi. So here this is also pi, 84 pi. So I'm writing this pi as it is. Okay. So this is pi also. So I have to multiply 84 with pi. Then I have to divide with 18.85 to get the length. So 84 pi will be equal to 84 multiplied by pi. Yes, it's equal to 263.89. So I can round off to 63.9. and divide it with 18.85. 18.85. So it's 13.9. So when I will round off, I will get 14. So 14 millimeter is the length, okay, is the height of the curved surface area, as the height of the cone. So just remember that you can do one more thing. Here it's pi. You can keep pi as it is, and when it will be having pi over here, then pi and pi will cancel each other. You can do with that method also. Okay, I hope that this question is clear to you. Now let's come to question number 7. Okay students, I hope that your books are open in front of you. So let's read question number 7. Question number 7 is, okay, let me erase it, then I will read down the question number 7. Okay, the question number 7 is a cone has a circular base of radius 15 centimeter. So the radius is given 15 centimeter, and given that the total surface area of the cone is 1000 centimeters square. Here the total surface area is given. So total surface area is 1000 centimeters square. Find its slant height. So we have to find out the height, slant height. Students, here it's given that take pi to be 3.142. So we'll take pi 3.142. Okay, ji. You know that the formula to find out the total surface area is, now here I am going to write down the formula to find out the total surface area. So the formula to find out the total surface area of the cone is pi r square plus pi r l. Pi r square plus pi r l. Okay, ji. So here I am going to write down the values which are given. So total surface area is given, which is 1000. So I will write down 1000 over here. Pi r square I will write, okay, I will take pi as common, and r square plus r will be over here. Okay. So now I will write down 1000 as it is. This is pi, and r is given, which is 15. So I will take the square of r, 15 square plus 15 l. Okay, this pi is multiplying over here. When it will come to this side, it will divide, or I can write down the value, which is 3.142. Okay, ji. So now 15 square is left. Now I have moved the pi. I have moved pi over here. So what is left? 15 square plus 15 l. So 15 square is 225 and plus 15 l. Okay, ji. So now I'm going to divide it 1000 with 3.142. Pi, the value of pi is 3.142. So I will divide 1000 with 3.142. So I will get 318.2. Alright, so 225 plus 15l. 225 is adding over here, and it will come to this side, it will subtract. So here 15l will be left. So when I will subtract 225 from it, I will get 93.2 l. Okay, ji. Now what you need to do is, okay, 15 is multiplying with that, and it will come to this side, it will divide. So L will be equal to 93.2 divided by 15. 6.22. So this is your length. Okay, this is your slant height of the cone. Alright, I hope that question number, okay, this was question number 7, students. Okay, this was question number 7. Okay, I hope that question number 7 is also clear to you. Now let's move forward to question number 8. Okay, I'm going to erase it. Okay, students, question number 8 is an open cone has a slant height of 5 meters. Now, and there is an open cone whose slant height is given, which is 5 meters, and a curved surface area 251 meters square. Now here curved surface area is given. Now the curved surface area is 251 meters square. Find the radius of the circular base. Now we have to find out the radius. Students, you know that, okay, here as we're talking about the curved surface area, so we can use L for the height. Okay, ji. So the formula, we have to find out the radius of the curved surface area. We have to find out the radius of the of an open cone. So here we are going to write down the formula of the volume of the curved surface area. We have to write down the formula to find out the curved surface area of the cone, because we need R. We have to find out the value of R. So the formula is curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r l. Now curved surface area is given, which is 251. I will write as it is. Now I will write down pi as it is. R is, we have to find out, and the length is given, which is 5. So 251 is equal to 5 pi r. Now 5 pi is multiplying with the, now I can find out the value of the 5 pi. So what I will get? Okay, when I will multiply 5 with pi, I will get 15.70. So I can write down 15.8. 15.8 pi. So when 15.8 will come over here, it will divide because it's multiplying with r. So when I will divide 251 with 15.8, I will get 251. So when I will divide it, I will get 15.9. So when I will round off, I will get 16. So 16 meter is the radius of the open cone. Okay. So I hope that students, today's lecture is clear to you. Do the practice of these sounds. When you do the practice, then this concept will be more clear to you. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.